Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today I have a phone. This is Xiaomi MIA1 phone and its charging port is USB-C port. But now we have a problem. Whenever we want to charge it, it's continuously charging and discharging. So today in this video we try to fix this loose USB port and hope it works. So let's get started. To open the phone, on the bottom we have two screws, 1, 2. To open this we need a 0.85 screwdriver. Next, remove the SIM. Now using a spray tools, remove the back cover. And make sure you turn off the phone before opening the phone. So I forget it, and I'm turning off the phone. Power off, shut down. It's now powered off. Careful. It's open the back cover, and this is the battery connector. Remove it. Okay, removed. And the bottom side we have this headphone jack, charging port, and a speaker. This is the vibrator. Now to remove this. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 screw. So we need to open it. I think it's a flip side screw. These two screws is little bit bigger, so be careful. Next, little put some pressure and it will open the speaker and the vibrator module. And here is the charging port. So it's connected with this connector, and here is the antenna connector. So just remove it. Be careful, it's a little bit fragile. Okay, it's open. This is the headphone jack and this is the charging port, and here you see there is so many tiny connector. Because of continuous plug and unplug of the charging cable, this connector gets desoldered from the board. That's the reason for the charging failure. Now as it is charging, I think there is problem with this holder. You guys can buy this kind of USB-C connector from AliExpress, pretty cheap. It's cost near about $1, and you can buy a complete board, this PCB full board. So if you are planning to replace this at your home, I recommend you to buy it from AliExpress, this complete board. Also, I think this is available on Amazon India. It's 300 rupees, and AliExpress it's around 200 something. And if you go to service center, they probably charge you 1,500 rupees, $20 minimum for replacing this board. So it's a good idea if you have some tools and you want to fix your own phone. After years of charge, this thing get really loose, like this is loose. So what you can do, you can use this kind of plier and little pressure it so that the charging port become tight. Now it's tight, it's not moving. So this way, sometimes it works. So it's better to replace this charging port, as I don't have one. That's the reason I'm trying one. If it is work, I don't need to buy this whole board. So now time to put everything together and see whether mobile phone is charging perfectly or not. Connect the battery connector and let's try to charge and see what happens. Yeah, now it's charging, and port is tight, light is still on. So guys, that is how you can fix your mobile phone charging port, basically USB-C one. And this is not recommended guys, just buy one this replacement parts and change it. This will be the best option. Now unplug it and screw everything. Now everything is screwed. Connect the battery connector again. Connected. Okay, cover it. Now if you guys want to save your charging port from frequent plug and unplug, you can use this kind of magnetic cable. This is awesome. Just plug it, and when it's charged done, just remove it, so it will not damage the charging port. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys learned something, and if you guys have any question, insights, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely answer every one of your question. And if you guys don't know what you are doing, please don't try to repair your phone at your home. So guys, that being said, my name is Abhijit. I'm signing out. Meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.